Okay, so right now, again, if we click this play button here, our flower grows with all petals growing at the same time. But we're going to stagger them so that they start at different times. In order to do that, we need to first do a couple things. One, go ahead and unlock your different petal layers. So I have 6 petal layers. So go ahead and unlock them. And so unlock your petal layers. And so after that, the second thing you want to do is make sure you're in animation mode. So next, I'm going to come down to the layers panel, and I'm going to start stair-stepping these animations. And what I mean by that is that I want petal 1 to start at the 0 marker, but I don't want petal 2 to start until a bit later. So if you notice, when I hover over the layer for petal 2, I get a hand icon, and I can click it and hold my left mouse button down and just drag that over just a little bit. Okay, and I'm kind of just eyeballing it here, but I'm going to do that for each layer so that you can see again it's kind of like a stair step. So I'm starting these at, it looks like 0.2 seconds apart. So this one like started 0.8. This will start at 1 second. So I can scrub the playhead to see how that looks, or I can click play, and that's good. But I do want to space them out just a little bit more. So I'm going to come back to petal 2, and instead of starting at 0.2, let's start that at 0.3. And let's do them 0.3 seconds apart. So this one is 0.6 seconds, and this one's 0.9 seconds. You can just eyeball it. Doesn't have to be perfect. I just like to make mine close to perfect. So the last one started at 1.2, and this one's going to start at 1.5, and you can do 0.4 seconds or something like that, whatever you think is cool for you. And it's called stair stepping because it's this nice little stair step. And as you can see, when we click play, they all grow out at different times, which is totally cool. So that is how you animate the petals one by one. And you can come down here and you can just click and drag on the timeline and show where you want the animation to start. And the next thing we're going to do is super fun. We're going to actually animate the entire flower so that it looks like it's swaying in the wind, addition to the growing petals.